Most people would agree that there have been occurrences of several unexpected situations relating to the trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard since it started. Well, last week, that bar of strange occurrences went even higher when some unusual activities involving policemen in front of the courtroom happened and left everyone puzzled. So, exactly what happened with the cops involving the Depp-Heard case? Well, for starters, the news was released by one of the networks covering the entire legal battle, reporting both inside and outside the courthouse. According to the news outlet, a group of police officers showed up to the entrance of the building on bikes, and immediately upon arrival, they jumped off their motorcycles and rushed into the building without saying a word. This was pretty scary and unusual for everyone on site, and while the people that were present at the courthouse at the time didn't have a lot to say about it, spectators online, however, had a few angles to explain exactly what had happened, and boy did they see things from different angles. For most people online, it was an opportunity to joke around and reduce the tension that has come with the trial. Like this user who wrote, "Amber's probably beating up Elaine," joking about how Amber's entire legal team seemed to have been under the weather almost throughout the trial. Another user joked about the police showing up on their own and overreacting. They wrote cops overreacting to the loud bang of a law book being dropped, implying that the police went there to arrest someone that may have accidentally dropped one of the law books. But while most people followed the line of making jokes about the situation, some other people had a couple of conspiracy theories on the matter relating to the news outlet. And that was the case with this user who wrote, "Nice try, Law Crime Network. Now you're also TMZ. Anything for publicity." That trial was the most civil trial I've watched on TV. Everyone was considerate and professional, maybe because it's a defamation one and not criminal. They all carried themselves perfectly, thumbs up. Although there is limited information available about the activities seen outside the courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia, but according to Law and Crime Network, it is not related to the Depp-Heard trial. It's a big courthouse where multiple hearings may be taking place. However, several motorcycle officers were indeed seen rushing into the front of the same courthouse, jumping off their bikes and running inside. But the outlet's on-site correspondent Anjanette Levy also confirmed that the incident with the police may have had to do with an emergency involving someone with mental illness problems, but is not thought to be related to the Depp-Heard trial. Now that it's been established that the reason for the police presence was an emergency, we all hope everyone is safe. To further confirm the story from the outlet, several fans also mentioned that they had seen Johnny and Amber leaving the courthouse even before the police incident actually occurred. And according to the people that actually saw them, Depp was as gracious to the officers as usual, and Heard, on the other hand, didn't seem to care much. Subtle personality differences, but says a lot about them. Have you also noticed these differences? Tell us in the comments section.